In this video, I'm going to show you how to process your eBill into WinStabs after it's been certified. Once you receive notification that your eBill has been certified, log into TD Connect, click on Dues, eBill History, choose the billing month, and click Search. Once the data loads, click on Final Bill, and after certification, your Reports and To-Dos box will appear. Your final statement report is the numbers to take into WinStabs. Your exempt status change report is for your meeting to report out on your exempt members. And your follow-up report is a list of to-do items that was created while you worked your eBill. Print out each report and you can close TD Connect. In this example, we're using local 9997, which is our test local, and it's 2018 data. Go to Process eBill, and you have two options: TD payment to the local or local owes TD. So on your final statement, in the first example, the local owes the TD. So click on local owes TD, and it'll bring up your billing cover. Choose your month, which was September, enter the date, and enter the data from your printed report into WinStabs. So prior balance on account was 0, direct pay to TD, local amount if you have local pay, dues and group disability, DIP, UTUIA premiums, and PAC. This return from TD box is if you requested money to be returned in the bill adjustments portion of your eBill. So in this case, the local owes the TD $1102.85. Once you enter the number, press tab and it'll ask you for your dues check. Enter your next check number, and if you owe PAC, enter that amount as well, and it'll ask you for a check number. Once you have everything entered, print the statement, and this is your billing cover to send with your checks to Cleveland, to the Transportation Division. Make sure your president countersigns the checks and mail them. Then you'll click Post Checks and Continue. The Spread Funds to the LCA or LCAs box will open. Go to page 2 of your report, and you have your LCAs in the middle of the page. Choose your billing month, enter your date, and enter your LCAs. So 101A had 17 members at $136. There's nowhere to enter the dues rate because WinStabs does not track dues rates anymore. Hit your tab, select your next LCA. 101B had 8 members at $56, and hit transfer. This moves the money from the local to the LCAs. It will ask you if there are any prior month returns, and if you remember on the first page we had a return from the TD. So we also need to move the LCA monies on the prior returns back into the local. So it will be at the bottom, LCA prior month returns. We had 2 members, or 2 counts, at $16. So click Yes. Choose your month, which will be the same month. The month will always be on your report. Enter the date. And 101A had 2 members at $16. And hit transfer. And the dues have been posted. For the second example, we're going to do the TD payment to the local for October. TD payment to local. This is if you're not required to write a check, so it's going to go directly to the spread funds to LCAs. So choose your month, enter your date, and go directly to the second page under your LCAs. So 101A had 17 members at $136, and 101B had 8 members at $56, and click transfer. It'll ask if there are any prior month returns, and on this statement there are not, so click no. And it has moved the dues from the local to the LCA. Once your bill is certified, the funds are on the way from the TD, so you will still need to enter your receipt under receipts and enter receipts once it has been deposited in the bank.